In this video, we will show you how to install the Mobile Forms app on an Apple device. From the home screen of your device, there should be an icon for the Apple Store. If there is not, you can always access it by opening the device's App Manager. Some companies choose to restrict access to the App Store. If this is the case, please speak with your administrator for further assistance installing the Mobile Forms app. Next, you'll want to open the Apple App Store. Using the search bar, search for Field to Base Mobile Forms. Find the Mobile Forms app and tap Install. Once the app is installed, open it from the Store page or from the Home menu. On the Mobile Forms landing page, choose the Login with an existing account option. The Create a New Account option on this page will create a demo account and is rarely applicable. Sign into the app using your Field to Base account credentials. You should have received your credentials in an email from either Field to Base or your company's Field to Base administrator. If you are unsure of your credentials, contact the Field to Base administrator for your company. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be logged into your Field to Base account on this install of Mobile Forms. The Mobile Forms app may show up blank at first, but as long as you stay connected to the internet, it will download the resources it needs. Please wait for the necessary files to be downloaded from our servers. For more information on using the Mobile Forms app, visit the Using the Mobile Apps section of our Help Center at help.fieldtobase.com.